So in this video, we'll be going over candlesticks. So if we look at the top, we're going to look at the top, we see Wells Fargo. Look, the ticker symbol for Wells Fargo is WFC. It's the nickname for it, but we're on candlesticks now. Let's dive in. So candlesticks are either red or green or black or white, depending on the preference and what the trader want to do. So if we look at a candlestick show us price action during a set time period, and it forms like this right here. And it's all different ones, so they form in different shapes depending on what happened during that time period. So for this time period, we know that the highest, this is the highest point, and the four elements that make up a candlesticks are the high, the open, the low, and the close. So the open is when the opening bell of what the candlestick first traded at. The close is the last price that the candle traded at. The high is the highest price that the candle traded at, and the low is the lowest price that the candle traded at. And I know that the open is here because when this candle closed, we was down in the trade, maybe by a couple cents. So if we hover over it, we're going to look over here. The O is for open, H is for I, L is for low, C is for close. So we're going to hover over this candle, and we see that it opened at 25.05, but it closed at 25.03. So we lost 2 cents. And that's the reason why this candlestick is red, because of those 2 points. Not because of the high, not because of the low. If the stock open and it closed higher, then the stock will be green. But if it opens and the stock trade lower, then the candle will be red.